Hi, I'm Ankur, founder and CEO of the Pivot Health. I want to thank the team at Branding Pioneers who helped me make our website, which was very excellent. And it has the design and the functional design, it has come out very well. I want to thank the website designer Shivam and also the Oshin and other team members who helped the content design work for us. And also we I was looking for expert for our heart risk assessment calculator, and to my pleasant surprise I found that Branding Pioneers team was able to make that a little complicated project, I would say, but with some inputs which I gave, they were able to work on it and come up with an excellent product. So thanks a lot, Branding Pioneers team.